We can insert, for example, in this cell, a mini line chart that tells us the trend, for instance, of the first 6 values that we have here. And we see that it represents it very simply. It is interesting to know that the contents of this cell can be auto-completed to the right, meaning that, in a very easy way, we can view each of the others. Once we have all of them, we can change the chart type, whether win or loss, column or line, and we can also change the colors, etc. For example, we can give them a browner color, etc., or even highlight certain points with specific colors. For example, the highest point in each of them, we could highlight in blue, and the lowest point, highlighted in red, to draw attention to certain facts. For example, we see that in savings, which is what fluctuates the most, if we make it a bit bigger, we see that we have a blue dot at the top and a red dot at the bottom. We can highlight some of these values. We can represent first point, negative points, indicators, etc. That is, we have some options for handling these mini charts which, being new in Excel 2010, might be of some use at a given point, above all easy to use and give us information very quickly and providing guidance on our data set.